It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that...
Hello, welcome back to this channel. In case you're new here, my name is Naomienjuguna, and I just came back from the market. I stepped out to pick some few things that I needed, and I don't know why my kitchen is lighting is bad, but anyway, let's continue. So I went out to pick some few things that I needed. I didn't shop for much because of course the economy, so we are shopping bit by bit. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly consider doing so. And we're going to be cleaning the fridge. It's been so dirty, and then we'll cook, of course. So kindly stick around as we do the cleaning and the cooking.
Person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm falling to a picture of you. You would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself.
So I'm sure guys you can see my fridge is so empty, and of course you've seen I didn't buy a lot of things, so I'm not planning on restocking or buying anything to put in this fridge anytime soon, because I'm not very good right now in terms of money. So let us clean. We are going to arrange whatever we have, and that is what we are going to be working with. So cleaning the fridge, I'm using vinegar and warm water, and this one works magic. Even if you don't use soap, this works magic. I'm sure you can see down there my fridge was so stained, but believe you me, it cleaned so well. It was sparkling by the time I was done. So let's continue cleaning. And then I also boiled some cereals that I had in the house, and we are going to be arranging them in the fridge.
I can't take it anymore. My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones. My sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should take a leap of faith and face my fear. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano.
So after cleaning, I just rinsed it with clean water and I added some vinegar, and then I sprayed some vinegar around just to keep it fresh and to keep the cockroaches away from this fridge because they've been disturbing. Yeah, so our fridge is all clean. So we're going to put everything back and then arrange what we have in this fridge. Okay, yeah.
Hey desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn?
So this is much later in the evening and I'm going to prepare dinner, and this is goat meat. And what I'm doing right now is I added some salt, and that is what I was mixing so that it can mix up well. I'm not going to add anything else. Yeah, I'll just cook it with salt. And so I'm going to be using this double pan, and I will just arrange it here and let it cook for around 45 minutes, and our meat will be ready. And we're going to have this with ugali, which I of course was cooked off camera. This is after like 15 minutes and you can see it's doing so well. It's almost ready. The thing I love about this pan is that if you want to have nyama choma in the house, you just have it. So this is like some nyama choma, and I also made some kachumbari on this side. And 45 minutes later, look at that. Our meat is ready and this was so soft and yummy. And of course later we're going to clean up the kitchen, after eating, right? So I'll clean up the utensils, and I thought of tagging you along so that I don't get bored while doing it.
Till we almost drown. Higher goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. I don't care what happens now, where we go, how far and how. If you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go. I won't let you go. I won't let you go. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. I don't care what happens now, where we go, how far and how. If you wanna go, I'll follow. Have you made your mind yet? Have you got your heart set? I don't wanna jump half-hearted. Gotta get your feet wet, gotta give what you get. I don't wanna finish where we started. Like the river flowing, tell me where we're going. Take me to a place that's brand new. With every second growing, time feels like it's slowing with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. 'Cause it's a big pill to swallow,
So if you have come this far with me, may God bless you for me. And as I always tell you, you are my favorite. So we are done with the cleaning, and I'm just going to put the cereals inside here. And I'm sure this one is going to serve us a little bit while. Yeah, so that is all. I think I'll just be seeing you in my next video. May God bless you for me. Bye.